pull this cover off, just slide up, and it should slide out. Pull that out of your way. Take these two screws out, use a T25 socket. You can lift up on the airbox and just slide it out. There's a hose right here. You take the hose off, just squeeze and slide it off. Take this worm clamp off right here, use an 8mm socket. Loosen that up. You can slide it back. Disconnect the connector right here, push down, and just slide it off. Take this clamp off right here, use a 8mm socket, just loosen it up. You can slide it out a little bit. There's a hose connected to it right here. You have to feel on the back side of it. There's a little tab that you have to push forward, then it slides up. I can show you what that tab looks like. Right here, here's the tab. It just slides down like that. Then you can slide out. Grab the snorkel, just wiggle it. And slide it off. Connector right here, just disconnect the connector, push down on the tab, and slide it off. Just to get this wire out of the way, I'm going to disconnect the map sensor. Just slide up on that, and the harness is out of the way. There's 4 bolts holding the throttle body on. Use a 10mm socket. Take these out. Take those out, grab the throttle body, and it slides right out. And take the gasket out. You can use a pick, just get behind there, and slide it out. Put the new gasket on, line it up, and slide this in position. And slide this bracket in place, put these bolts in. Tighten them down. And torque these bolts to 89 inch-pounds. And put the snorkel on. Get this hose on, just line it up, lock it down, and snug this up. Take the air box, line this up with the snorkel. started. You can line the airbox, the two tabs on the bottom of the airbox, get those to line up. Get these screws started. Tighten these down. Connect the throttle body, lock that in, and then connect the map sensor. Connect the mass airflow sensor, lock it down, tighten down this worm clamp, snug it up. There's a hose right here, connect the hose, line that up, and lock it down. After you're done replacing the throttle body, you need to do what is called an idle relearn. If you have a scan tool with the ability to do this, you can do it that way. If you don't have a scan tool, what you can do is start the engine, let the engine idle for 3 minutes. It may be on the high side, don't worry about that. Let it do its thing for the 3 minutes, then shut the vehicle off for 60 seconds, and then you want to start the vehicle again for 3 minutes, let it run, and at the end of the 3 minutes, the engine should be idling normally. Now take the cover, line it up, slide it in place, and push it down.